In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track pipeline value in Pipedrive. This will help you see a clear, reliable number for your total pipeline without checking each deal one by one. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Insights. This is your analytics hub where all your reports and dashboards are stored. Next, go to the top left and click Create. Then choose Report. Now, in the report setup, set the entity to Deals. This is important because pipeline value comes from your deals. After that, choose Performance as the report type. Then select Scorecard as the visualization. This will give you a simple, single-number view of your pipeline value. Next, change the measure to Deal Value or any value field you want to track. This tells Pipedrive what amount to calculate. Before saving, apply filters if needed. For example, you can select a specific pipeline, show only open deals, filter by owner, stage, or date. This helps you customize the exact pipeline value you want to see. Once everything looks correct, click Save at the top right. Give your report a clear name so you can find it easily later. That's it. Now, every time you open Insights, you'll see your pipeline value displayed instantly on your dashboard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.